Hi guys, I've just been out flying the drone, the LMC-01, and I flew that drone halfway over to the houses over there, about 50 meters high. It worked, and I can fly that drone about 2,000 miles over there without any problem. So anyway, I made this paper airplane last night. Floatable or foldable airplanes, I think his channel name is. And I'm going to give this fighter jet, I think what you may call it, I'm going to give that a try. So let's see how that works. You catch it down there and throw it. We're going to throw it. It's hard to follow it with the camera. Yeah. So let's try casting it over here then. Yeah, I think we're going to have to... I'm going to try one more time. If I can't catch it with the camera this time around, I may have to give it a swing and a miss. So let's try down there. Oh, that was a good one. So let's try casting it down there once again. Missed it. I'm going to try one last time. I'm getting tired of walking. If I won't get it this time, at least you have seen one flight of it. So last time round, I hope we're going to catch it. Yeah, I'm going to cut the video feed here. That's it for today. And I'm going to throw some more. Yeah, pity we didn't get to see it fly more than once. But there's one good flight under, so it's a nice sunny day today. Like I said, I had the drone up 100 meters up into the sky, and maybe 250 meters or so across the valley here. So I'm going to load up that battery again from the drone and take it back out tomorrow. And by the way, I ordered a new iPhone which can make the better pictures with that LM-01 drone. It has 16 megapixels, 32 gigabyte. This cell phone what I have here is not up to the task of recording videos from that drone, so I'm still waiting on my cell phone, and once I have that, I will be installing the drone app, and we will be testing it, and I hope it can make better pictures than on this cell phone. So I hope you have liked this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.